students, welcome back to exercise number 6.2. Okay, so in the last class we have started exercise number 6.2. Let us complete this exercise. Okay children, so then let us move to next video. Now see here, exercise number 6.2, fourth question. Obtain the volume of a rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Length, breadth and height. Okay, so in the last class we have learned about area. Now about volume we have to learn. Volume means what children? Volume means what? The amount of space inside. If at all this is a box here, what is the amount of space inside this? That is called as the volume. Okay, so volume, how to find out? So volume is to find out, there should be a three-dimensional figure. So volume to find out, what will be there, children? So there should be one length. Okay, so the length they have given, length is given, then even breadth is given, then height is given, means we can easily find out the volume. Okay, volume of a particular box. Got it? So now the length they have given in the form of algebraic terms. Yes, no children, see here, pi a. Length is called as pi a, breadth is 3a square, then height is 7a to the power 4 respectively. In the sense, length is pi a, then breadth is 3a square, then height is 7. Height is 7a to the power 4. Like this, length, breadth and height given means we can find out the volume of a particular box very easily. Then which is the formula for that to find the volume? So volume, to find out the formula is volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length into breadth into height. This is the monomial multiplication of 3 monomials comes. Multiplication of 3 monomials. How to do that? By volume method. Okay children, so volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Means who is length here? Length is equal to, length is pi a. Then who is breadth? Breadth is 3a square. Then its height is 7a to the power 4. So length you know, breadth you know, height you know, means we can find out the volume of this box. Let us find the volume of this children. So what is the formula there? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So how to find out length? Length is 5a into breadth is 3a square into height is 7a to the power 4. So then, how can I multiply this children? Always you understand coefficients you have to multiply first. So 3 are there means let us write that in the box. Okay, so pi into 3 into 7. Yes, then all a's write separately. In the sense, a to the power no number means you understand 1. A to the power 1 into a to the power 2 into a to the power 4. So a to the power 1 into a to the power 2 into a to the power 4. So then how can I multiply this children? So 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5. How much? 21 into 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer? 105. Okay, 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5 is 105. So now here, how to multiply this? When the bases are same, powers you have to add. So you learned already exponent, you will use that method here. So a to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4. When the bases are same, powers you have to add. So let us write it here now. So what is the final answer then? 105 write as it is into 10 to the power of into, there means we write a to the power of A to the power of 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 105 into A to the power 7 is the final answer. Okay children? So like this. Hope you all understood. See children? A. Bases are same means powers you have to add. Add children. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 105 into A to the power 7 is the final answer. Now let us do the next one children here. Okay. So now see here. Who is length? Who is length? Length is xy. Length is equal to xy. Breadth is 2x square y. Then the height is equal to x. Height is equal to 2xy square. Okay, so length is xy, breadth is 2x square y, and height is 2xy square. Now what can I do here to find out the volume? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Say and write children, the formula will be by heart. So length is how much? xy. Length is xy into breadth is how much? 2x square y into height is how much? 2xy square. Okay, so how can I multiply? There is no number, means what you have to understand? The coefficient is 1. So multiply the numbers first. So children, how to multiply? See, 1 into 2 into 2. So 1 into 2 into 2 into x square into x. Any way you can multiply, like terms write together and can multiply. Okay children, so now see here, I will write x. Here x square, here x. Like this also you can multiply. Any way there to multiply. So y one time, y 2 times. Write together. So y 1 time, y 2 times. So you will feel very easy if you separate it and write. So now 1 into 2 separately into x 2 times into x 1 time, because all are like terms there. So I can write together and multiply easily. Y 1 time, y 2 times. Write like this. Got it? So now the next method is 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4 into x 2 times, x 1 time. So x how many times totally children? When the x write as it is, powers you have to add. When the bases are same, powers you have to add. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Got it? So then again y write together. 1 plus 2. If the bases are same, powers you have to add. Okay, so now the next step is 4. Write as it is. X to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then y to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is the final answer? 4 x to the power 4 into y to the power 4. So that's all about this problem. So now I give you homework problem. You can do it in your maths class. Okay, so write down homework. 2p, 4q, 8r. Okay, so this is the third problem. So then the fourth problem is a, 2b, 3c. Like this method you have to use and try to do it. So these are the simple problems everybody can try in your maths class. So now let us move to next video. Okay. So see here, question number 5. Obtain the product of first one a, minus a square, minus a cube. Okay. So obtain the product of means what you have to do? You have to multiply all the terms. So how can I multiply these terms? See here, first term into minus a square into a to the power 3. Find the product means where there is comma, you have to put multiplication sign. Okay children, so now see here, how can I minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So what is the sign, children? Minus A. Common base is A. Okay. So when the bases are same, powers we have to add. In the case of multiplication, when the bases are same, all the bases are same here, powers we have to add. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. How can I add this then? Minus A to the power 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is the final answer. Okay, so you have understood. So this is the base of exponents here. So then let us move to next problem. So wherever there is comma, you have to put multiplication sign here. So in the sense, so 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So how can I multiply this, children? See here, when you are multiplying, so you have to multiply the coefficients first. Okay, in the sense 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. Can we multiply all the numbers first? Then y. How many times y repeated? Let us write it separately. Okay. So into y square into y cube. So like this. So children, where there is no power, you have to write the power as 1. Okay, so now see here. So these are the coefficients. Can we multiply this, children? Can we multiply? Yes, see here. 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16. How can I multiply that? 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16. So can we multiply? So now 6 4s are 24. 2 carry. 6 6 are 36. 37 38. Then second place 1 4s are 4, 1 6 are 6. So now add it all. 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 10. So what is the answer? 1024. So 1024 is the answer. Got it? So then how can I multiply this when the bases are same? So variables are same here. When the bases are same, base write as it is, powers you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. So powers you have to add. So now how can I get the final answer? See here, 1024 y to the power 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So here what is the final answer? 1024 y to the power 6. So you all understood how to do this here. So wherever coefficients write together and multiply, and the variables write together. Okay, when the variables are same, powers you have to add. Okay, so that's the law of exponents. Now using this knowledge, we can try other two problems as a homework. Let's take down homework. xy, yz, zx. Okay, so it's the third problem. Then fourth problem, a, 2b, 3c, 6abc. Okay, so these are the two homework problems. Hope you are all doing in your maths notes book. Okay, children. So that's all about this problem. So now let us move to next topic. Okay, ready? Multiplication of monomial by a binomial. Okay, so how can I do this problem? See here, one example let us take. Example. Okay, monomial by a binomial. See here, first one, 3x into 5y plus 2. Let us multiply this, children. So first, how can I multiply? See here, this is monomial, this is binomial. Monomial is Okay, so 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. Okay, I'm going to multiply 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. So multiply, children. How to multiply? Directly you can multiply, no? 5 3s are 15. X into y, xy. X one time, y one time. Plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. So this is the final answer. Okay, like this way you have to multiply. So now let us move to exercise number 6.3. Okay. First one. Carry out the multiplication. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions. Of the expressions in each of the following. Okay, so now how to do, let us see here. The first one, 4p, q plus r. Okay, 4p plus, q plus r. How to multiply this, children? How can I multiply? Means this is monomial, this is binomial. So you have to understand this is monomial into binomial multiplication. Okay, so how can I write this? 4p into q plus r. So how to multiply? First term into this. Okay, so while multiplying, you have to multiply first term into first term into second term. So you all understood how to multiply, children. So see here, how can I multiply? 4p into q. 4p into q plus 4p into r. 4p into r. So then multiply this 4. p into q. 4 ones are 4. p into q. pq. 4 ones are 4. p into q. pq plus 4 ones are 4. p into r. pr. So like this we have to complete this multiplication. So first term into first term into second term. See like this. Separate it up, then multiply it. So that like this you can complete the multiplication. Got it? So now let us do next problem. A plus B, 7a square b square. Okay, so a plus b into 7a square b square. So how can I multiply this? A plus b into 7a square b square. Got it? So now how to multiply? See here. This is monomial, this is binomial. Okay, if I give here and there, it's no problem. But you have to multiply the outside number into inside number always. Got it? So 7a square b square into a. 7a square b square into a. One term multiplication. No, 7a square b square into a plus 7a square b square into b. Okay, so then the next step, how can I do this? Yes, now see here, how to multiply? 7 Here no number means 1. Multiply the number first. 7 ones are 7. A 2 times A 1 time. A 3 times. 2 plus 1. 3 times. Yes, children. So here onwards you should know how to multiply orally. Okay. So how to add the powers in orally in mind. Okay. So A to the power 4 plus 1. 2 plus 1. A to the power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So then B 2 times, write as it is. Okay, so then here 7 ones are 7. A 2 times, A no time, A 2 times itself. B 2 times, B 1 time, B 2 plus 1, 3 times. B 3 times. Hope you have understood. B 2 times, B 1 time. B totally 2 plus 1. How much children? B 3 times. Powers you have to add always. Okay, so then after this is the final answer. Now the next problem is okay, how to multiply? Say every a square minus 9 into 4a. A square minus 1, 9 into 4a. Multiply children. 4a into a square. 4a into 9. How to multiply? 4a into a square. 4a into a square minus. If minus means minus. If it is plus means plus. Okay children? So minus 4a into 9. 4a into 9. So then multiply 4a into a square. Then minus 4a into 9. Over. So then 4 ones are 4. A 1 time plus 1 2 times. Totally 3 times. So a 3 times. Minus 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. A how many times? 1 time. Got it? So this is the final answer. So now I'll give one problem you have to do as a homework. So question number 4. PQ plus QR plus RP, comma 0. So these three terms, trinomials, you have to multiply by 0. So what answer gets you have to write children. Okay, so we are all doing this problem. So now let us see the next main. Okay, see here, find the product. The first one, 1a square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Means any number not there means that place you can write 1. Yes children. So now how can I find its product? So what you have to do see here. First multiply the coefficients along with the a. Which are the coefficients are there? 1 into 2 into 4. Okay children. So then coefficients we multiplied this. Next we have to multiply all the variables. Okay, which is that a to the power 2 into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. Okay, how can I simplify this? Multiply children. 4 2s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Okay, so then a, when the bases are same, powers you have to add in the case of multiplication. So 2 plus 22 plus 26. Can we add children now? 8 into a, 8a. So add the numbers children. 22 plus 26. Sorry, 26 plus 22 plus 2. How can I add this? 22 plus 26 plus 2. So add here 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the power? A to the power 50 means we can write. Yes children, all the numbers we have to add here. So the power comes to 50. So this is the final answer. Hope you all understood. So now let us move to next problem. Okay children, so there is a fraction. So fraction there also multiplication will be the same. Yes, now see here, how can I multiply? Which are the coefficients of this? Write together. In the sense, 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. So these are the coefficients, numbers. Write together. Along with that, variables. So x and x square is there. Write together. X into x square. Find the product means only multiplication sign you have to write. Even here into y one time is there. Here y two times. So like this. So where the coefficients separate, then x value separate, then y separate. So like this thing means it's very easy to multiply. Got it? So now how can I multiply this children? Fraction multiplication means what you can do, you can cut the terms, but you cannot take the LCM children. Because when the denominators are different, you have to take the LCM. That's the case of addition or subtraction. But this is a multiplication means we can cancel the terms. In the sense, 2 table 10 comes or not, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So like this we can cut the terms. So now what is the answer? Minus is remaining. 3 ones are 3 by 5 ones are 5 is remaining. Okay, so into x to the power. X how many times exists? See here. X here 1 time, here 2 times. So the bases are same. Powers we have to add. Yes. So even the y terms if I write, no number means 1. When the bases are same, powers you have to add. So powers you have to add. So now minus 3 by 5. X to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. Y to the power 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the final answer. Okay children, now let us go to the next problem. X into x 2 times into x cube into x to the power 4. So see, only variables present. So first you have to see all the powers are present or not. So in this power is missing. What should I write? 1. Okay, x to the power 1. No power means you can apply 1 there. Other number you cannot apply. Got it? Other number cannot apply. So now when the bases are same, the bases so same here. All the bases are same means base right ones. Got it? So then powers you have to add. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what is the final answer? X to the power 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So what is the answer? 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. So x to the power 10 is the final answer. Got it? Hope you all understood how to multiply this. So that's all about today's class. In the next class, let us do some more problems of exercise number 6.3. Till then, take care. Thank you.